Um, I'm watching TV and my kitty cat is here with me. Want to see my kitty cat? Look. Me. Me. Mwah, mwah. My kitty. Do we look alike? Yeah. Yeah. Mwah. Detach, child, detach. Oh, okay. So this is what I'm wearing today. I have my little bow right here, if you can see. I don't have any makeup on today, but yeah, I have my little bow and my cat. It's an accessory. My hair is like this today. I hit this part today. So yeah, it's just. So yeah, I have my hair like this today. I have my vest, some shorts, and my boots. And this is a shirt, but it's long on me, so yeah. So that's what I'm wearing today. Yeah. Well, bye. I love you guys.